Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use SVG. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. SVG is used to define graphics for the web. Next, just go to your basic HTML file and type SVG with 500. Next, height equals 200. Next, rect width equals 500, height equals 200. Next, style RGB, we'll put hex code, any hex code, and fill here. Stroke with 12. Stroke sample HH12. Then close tag. Next, SVG. Then save. Let's see if it's working. Refresh your browser, and it's done. It's work. SVG is now working. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.